So I started by saying that summary is a brief account of an event. A summary is a brief account of an event, a brief account of a long write-up. Summary is a shortened account of an event, which will be brief, precise, concise, and straight to the point. In WAEC, candidates are required to write not more than 6 sentences in 50 minutes, and then you have to follow the rules that governs summary writing. Read and understand the passage before attempting the question. Read the passage at least twice, and as you read the second time, underline answers to your summary questions. Present your answers in your own words. Avoid lifting your answers from the passage. Do not attempt to change difficult words or technical terms. So present your answers in complete sentence. Don't write your answers in phrases or in short sentences. Present your answers in complete sentence that your examiners will understand. Now, when you are presenting your answers as well, the sequential in your presentation of your answers, arrange your answers in order in which they appear in the paragraph. You have to learn also how to put your answers together. You don't just write your answers anyhow. It is important that you set the tone for your writing when you are summarizing. Another rule I've mentioned is that do not inject anything that is not relevant. Whatever is not relevant to the passage, don't add it. Your passage should include facts. It should include fact that has been expressed in the passage, and then limit yourself to the number of points you are required to write, and then leave out other points. So the next is that give a general preamble. When you are giving a preamble, the preamble should be framed from the question that you have been given and must not be grammatically wrong. Your preamble guides, it leads you to your answer. So when you are doing that, you must be able to present your preamble in standard and correct English. Like this sample we have here, in 5 sentences, one for each, state the functions of women in society. So we have the function of women in society are, and then you start listing your answer. So you must be able to follow the preamble in 5 sentences, one for each, state the functions of women in society, and then you list your answer. So you have to be careful. So after you have written your preamble, it will be wrong for you to say one of the functions of women in society is, that will be wrong. Or another function of women in society is, that will be wrong. But you just need to list your sentences because you already have a preamble. So whatever is in your preamble also should not be repeated. So present your answers in active sentence and not in the passive. Number your sentences. Adopt the paragraphing method after giving a general preamble. Other tips, avoid using figurative expression. When you are writing, avoid using figurative expressions. Do not use idioms, do not use proverbs, do not use adage. Use simple and understandable words or expressions. So avoid using figurative expression to replace words. So do not give examples of illustration after each sentence, because in your summary writing, your answer should be short and not lengthy. So avoid writing lengthy passages. So when many points are packed in a sentence, please just ensure that you pick out the most relevant. Don't just write something that is too long, because in summary you still have to follow the title of the writing, which is summary. You make your writing to be short. So don't out-focus your answer. Don't bring whatever is not in the passage, whatever is not in the question, do not bring it to your answer. So when you are asked to summarize in one sentence, please do not write a preamble. Yeah, do not write a preamble. All right. Do not write a preamble.